In this question, a rectangle ABCD which is inscribed inside a circle. We have to find the area of the circular region. Now, from the diagram, it is clear that the diagonals AC and BD will be equal to the diameter of the circle. So, the diameter of circle will be equal to either AC or BD. Also, the area of any circle is given by pi times the square of the radius. Here, the length of the rectangle is 12 units and the width of the rectangle is equal to 5 units. Now, let's move on to step 2 and understand how to proceed with the solution. If we know the length and width of a rectangle, then it is possible for us to find the diagonal, which is given by the formula square root of the square of L plus the square of width. Using this formula, we can find the diagonal of the rectangle ABCD, which will be equal to the diameter of the circle. Keeping these two in mind, we calculate the value of the area of the circular region in step 3. Now, the diagonal is given by root over of 12 squared plus 5 squared. This gives us root over of 144 plus 25, which is equal to the square root of 169. And thus the value of the diagonal is 13 units. Now this 13 units is also equal to the diameter of the circle. Hence, the radius of the circle will be equal to 13 by 2 units. Therefore, the area will be equal to pi times 13 by 2 times 13 by 2. This equals 169 by 4 multiplied by pi. Now, when we divide 169 by 4, we get 42.25 times pi, which is the option B.